Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Thanksgiving is here, and you know what that means. Fabulous outfits to match the cozy vibes and festive gatherings. Today, I'm bringing you 15 elegant, trendy, and clean girl aesthetic Thanksgiving looks for 2024. These outfits will have you looking effortlessly chic, whether you're hosting dinner, attending a formal feast, or spending time with loved ones. Let's get started. Trust me, you're going to love these. First up, we have this bronze satin wrap dress that's all about sophistication and comfort. The flowy hem and cinched waist create the perfect silhouette, while the tan suede pumps add that autumnal warmth. Gold chandelier earrings and a beige clutch finish the look. Next up, we have a monochrome moment. Who says you can't wear white after Labor Day? This ivory blazer, paired with wide-leg trousers and a silky camisole, is clean, crisp, and oh so chic. Add ivory slingbacks and a pearl-embellished clutch to complete the look. Imagine yourself at a Thanksgiving brunch, sipping a latte and looking like the epitome of elegance. For a look that screams old money elegance, we've got a cream tweed cord set. The pearl buttons add a touch of refinement, while the black Mary Janes give it a preppy edge. I tied the hair back with a velvet ribbon because details matter. Pair it with a mini top handle bag, and you're ready to dazzle at any outdoor Thanksgiving event. Let's talk about drama in the best way possible. This burgundy silk dress with oversized balloon sleeves is a showstopper. It's flowy, romantic, and perfect for an evening filled with good food and laughter. Style it with rose gold jewelry, nude strappy heels, and a matching clutch. Add a soft berry-toned lipstick to tie it all together. Trust me, this look will leave everyone swooning. Knitwear season is here, and I'm all for it. This beige or cream color ribbed cord set, featuring a fitted sweater and matching midi skirt, is cozy and sophisticated. Add beige suede boots, a plaid scarf, and a crossbody bag for an effortlessly chic vibe. This look is perfect for a relaxed Thanksgiving in the park, enjoying fall foliage and pumpkin pie. Chocolate brown is the ultimate fall hue, and this satin slip dress proves it. Paired with a chunky cream knit cardigan, it's cozy meets chic. Add cream mules, gold jewelry, and a touch of gloss for a look that's simply stunning. Now let's take it down a notch for a more relaxed family gathering. This ivory cable knit sweater dress is a hug and outfit form. Styled with tan ankle boots and an oversized plaid scarf, it's the epitome of cozy chic. Add gold hoop earrings, toss your hair into a casual bun, and you're all set to sip hot cocoa by the fireplace. Next is a timeless classic. This camel coat layered over an ivory turtleneck sweater is a combination that screams elegance. Pair it with a champagne silk midi skirt for a bit of flair, nude suede pumps, and a top handle bag to tie it all together. It's the perfect look to cozy up by the fireplace while still turning heads. Floral pattern is one of the ultimate fall patterns, and this floral satin slip skirt proves it. Paired with a black turtleneck top, it's cozy meets chic. Add black boots, gold jewelry, and a touch of gloss for a look that's luxurious yet down to earth. Picture yourself at a relaxed Thanksgiving dinner, catching up with friends, looking absolutely stunning. Cream color feels like sunshine on a cloudy fall day. Pair this flowy midi skirt with an oversized cream sweater for the ultimate cozy chic combo. Add brown leather knee-high boots and gold hoops to tie it all together. This look is perfect for a Thanksgiving lunch where you want to shine, but still feel incredibly comfortable. Sometimes less is truly more. This black satin midi skirt paired with a crisp white turtleneck is all about clean lines and timeless style. Silver statement jewelry, pointed stilettos, and a bold red lip add just the right amount of edge. It's perfect for Thanksgiving celebrations in a chic modern setting. Think sophisticated dinners with city views. Turn heads with this stunning gold satin wrap top paired with white tailored trousers. Gold jewelry and strappy sandals bring the whole look together. This outfit glows beautifully during golden hour at a sunset Thanksgiving gathering. Beige is a Thanksgiving classic, but this look takes it to the next level. A beige ribbed knit midi dress is the definition of cozy chic. Belt it for a more structured look, and pair it with tan knee-high boots and a plaid scarf. Top it off with a soft gold pendant for the ultimate festive look. Perfect for a laid-back Thanksgiving dinner with loved ones. Velvet is having a major moment this year, and this emerald green maxi dress is here to prove it. The puffed sleeves and high slit give it drama, while silver rhinestone heels and emerald drop earrings add the sparkle. A vintage brooch pins back soft curls for that extra touch of glamour. Picture yourself at a candlelit dinner table, an absolute showstopper. Let's end with a little sparkle. Feeling flirty and feminine? Enter this blush pink floral midi dress with puff sleeves. The flowy silhouette and sleek hair make it soft girl aesthetic goals. Pair it with rose gold jewelry and beige ankle strap heels, and you're ready to sip tea at a garden table adorned with pumpkins and candles. That's a wrap on our Thanksgiving fashion journey. From cozy knits to luxurious velvet, these looks will have you feeling confident and elegant all day long. Let me know in the comments which outfit you'll be recreating this Thanksgiving. I'd love to hear your favorites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a little outfit inspiration. Until next time, happy Thanksgiving and stay fabulous!